Welcome back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. I had to take a time out. I was working on the 701 here, and all I wanted to do was drill a hole to start routing my fuel line. And for the life of me, I can't get around the motor to drill the hole where I want the hole. And then to drill the hole inside, from the inside out, getting around the brake pedals and all. Aggravating. There was a lot of things I wish I've done different that I'm going to mention now. When you're building your plane, regardless if it's a 701, 750, a cruiser, Super Duty, it doesn't matter. You know, when you get to the firewall, you're going to have common holes. You're going to have holes for your wiring. That's all your engine monitoring system. Holes for your throttle or mixture. Holes for your cabin heat. Holes for your steering linkages for your wheel, and whatever else you need to go through the firewall. When you're building the plane, you should drill all those holes when you're building the firewall before you put it on the plane. Be done with it. What was I thinking? I'll tell you, just one lousy hole is driving me nuts. Now, also, you know, especially in the forward fuselage in the planes, there's other things you could get done and out of the way. If you wanted to paint the forward fuselage, paint it before you put it all together. It'll be a little bit easier. Brake pedals. Get all your brake lines and brake pedals where you want it, all ready to go. And that way you're not crawling under the dash or under the panel trying to get your brake lines and hoses to go the way you want it. You know, if they're all open because it's not all put together, they're a lot easier to work. I think that's the way to go in the future. Comment below. Give me your thoughts. What's your best technique or way to build the plane? Well, I'm going to get back to it because, like I said earlier, I'm going to try to put 2 hours 2 hours a day to try to get this done. But I wish it wasn't 2 hours just to figure out to drill one hole. That's non-productive. Anyway, we'll see you next time. If you liked the video, give us a like. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.